Now, the 2016 election, Sarah Ferris, the healthcare reporter for The Hill, says an Obamacare meltdown is imminent for the next president, whoever it might be, or she is. Sarah is here to go on the record. Nice to see you.
Thanks for having
First
me.
of all, I told you I saw this article first thing this morning, and I was captivated by it on The Hill. I read it online. It's a great article. But let me ask you first. It says, next president faces possible Obamacare meltdown. What do you mean by meltdown?
So we could really see some of the big insurers in the Obamacare marketplace make their final decision about whether or not this is a good idea to remain in the marketplace. And so the impact of this could be very huge for competition. And of course, if we don't have the competition that the officials are expecting in the marketplace, it's going to mean rates are going to go up. People are going to have a harder time finding plans that they're going to like. And so this could have really catastrophic impacts if we do see that competition go down.
Okay, so prices going up. Insurance companies say they can't make money, or they're losing money, so they get out of the exchange. That leaves fewer people in exchange. In some instances, I think it's only one insurance company in some exchanges across the country. So there's no competition, so the prices go up, and so then nobody can afford, not nobody, but people can't afford Obamacare.
Right, and we're not quite there yet. Right now, you could say we're at a breaking point where this next enrollment period, this is the fourth time people are going to sign up for the exchanges. So these numbers are going to be a huge test on whether these big insurers are going to remain in the marketplace. We've seen United Healthcare already say they're going to pull out. Aetna and Anthem are on the fence. They're looking like they're backing off. And so the decisions that those make, as well as some of the other big insurers, are going to have really big impacts.
Let's assume that's not a robust enrollment. That's the worst case scenario, right?
Well, the worst case scenario is that we really don't see these young people that the Obama administration has said they're recruiting very heavily. If we don't see the young people who are more likely to be healthy, then those medical costs are going to keep going up.
Okay. And so what's the next president to do?
Well, Donald Trump has said that he would repeal Obamacare in the first day of office, and so this could be the nail in the coffin. But Hillary Clinton has said that she's really committed to making these marketplaces work, to strengthen them. And so she has said she would increase the subsidies that people get so that they can then pay for these higher premiums and get these bigger plans. But of course, then the issue is the price tag and where the money comes from.
Where's she going to get the money for the subsidies?
Well, we don't quite have that information yet. It is still a bit early, but presumably the money would come from, she's proposed in other places, higher taxes on other pieces. So we're not quite clear yet.
Yeah, what's the Obama administration saying?
The Obama administration has been working really aggressively on trying to get more young people in, trying to get these insurers to see the long-term fate of it. There are some insurers that are making money on this, especially those who have focused on low-income populations before, so those narrower networks we hear about a lot. But the big insurers, all top 5 insurers in the U.S. right now have said they're losing money on Obamacare, and this is just in the last 2 months.
And therein lies the meltdown term in the headline.
Right.
So when are we going to know the answer on this?
So the next open enrollment period actually ends about a week before the inauguration. So this is kind of crazy timing. And so we're going to start to see that data, this really important data, come out just a couple weeks after the next president is inaugurated.
Sarah, thank you very much. Great article in The Hill, and I'll continue to follow this. It's an important topic. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.